Dear students, myself Dr. R. T. Patil, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Gopal, Krishna, Gokhale College, Kolhapur. विद्यार्थी मित्रों, या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण सेमिस्टर 2 साठी बॉटनी विषयाचा सिलेबस काय असणार आहे याबद्दल चर्चा करणार आहोत. बॉटनी साठी सेमिस्टर 2 साठी दोन पेपर असणार आहेत. बॉटनी पेपर 3 is about plant ecology and botany paper 4 that is about plant taxonomy. Dear students, I will teach you botany paper 3. The code of paper is B.Sc 13B and title of paper is plant ecology. Now in this paper, what is syllabus for the examination that we will discuss here. First of all, the paper consists of two units. One unit that is ecological factors and adaptations, and second unit that is ecosystem and phytogeography. Now firstly, the plant ecology, that means it is the branch of botany which deals with the study of plants in relation to the environment. That branch is called as ecology, and in that following topics are for our syllabus, and in that the first unit is ecological factors and adaptations, and the first part in this unit, that is introduction, definition and scope of ecology. And the first topic under this unit, that is ecological factors, and in this ecological factors, the second topic is climatic factors, third one is ecological adaptations. Out of these three topics, the first topic, that is edaphic factors, soil origin and formation, composition, soil profile, water states of water in environment. This topic is not to be considered for the examination point of view for this semester because it is a cancel for this COVID pandemic. Because of that, this is deleted chapter for the examination for this year only. But the chapters which are considered for the examination are climatic factors, and in that, which climatic factors? Light and temperature as ecological factors, then optimum and limiting factors. These two factors, light and temperature, and these two factors are studied as ecological factors, and in that, what is the optimum factor of light, what is limiting factor of temperature, all these concepts are to be studied in this topic. The second part of this unit, that is ecological adaptations. Here the adaptations means how the different types of plants adapt to different kinds of environment, and for that the three different groups, the four different groups of the plants, how that groups adapt to the environment. That adaptations are called as ecological adaptations, and you have to study these adaptations in hydrophytic plants, that is hydrophytes, then xerophytes and epiphytes and parasites. Means all of these groups, hydrophytic, xerophytic, epiphytic and parasitic plants, how they adapt to that environment, that you have to study in this part. Then the second subunit of the first unit, that is a plant communities and succession. Out of these plant communities and succession, the first topic, that is plant communities, introduction, general characters, forms, structure, Ronke's forms. This topic is not considered for the examination for this year because of lockdown or because of COVID-19. But the topic is considered for the examination is plant succession. And plant succession, the characters and process and types. That means what are the characters of succession, how the succession occurs in the environment, and the two types of succession, that is hydrosery and xerosery. Is hydrosery, how hydrosery is occurred, hydrosery type of succession occur in the environment, that means characters and process of hydrosery, characters and process of zero series succession. These are the two types of succession that you have to study for the examination point of view in this unit or subunit. Then the second unit for paper 3, that is a plant ecology, is ecosystem and phytogeography. And this unit consists of two subunits. First subunit, that is ecosystem. In that introduction, then the part which is not considered for the examination, that is composition, abiotic and biotic components. But the part considered for examination, that is a types of ecosystem, aquatic and terrestrial. These are the two types of ecosystem you have to study for this paper or for this semester, with one example of each type. Means one example of aquatic and one example of terrestrial type of ecosystem. And another part in this subtopic, that is food chain and food web. Then last part in this topic, that is ecological pyramids, and there are different types of pyramids which are occurred. The pyramids are nothing but the geographical demonstration or the representation, graphical representation of the energies or the number which is occurred in the ecological point of view, and that graphical representation of the producers, consumers, and decomposers. It is in the form of number, or it is in the form of biomass, and in the form of energy. These are the types of ecological pyramids. That means pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, pyramid of energy. With the suitable examples, means you have to study these three types with the example in the part that is ecological pyramids. The second subunit of this second unit, that is biogeochemical cycles, and these biogeochemical cycles, we have to study the introduction and the two cycles, that is phosphorus and nitrogen cycle. But the last part, that is phytogeographical regions, as per Chatterjee and Money, that part is not considered for the examination for this year only, for this semester. Therefore, dear students, the part of the syllabus of the paper 3, that is Botany Paper 3 Plant Ecology, the topics which are not considered or which are cancelled for the examination point of view, that I can repeat again. The topic is deleted or not considered in the first topic, that is edaphic factors, soil origin and formation, composition, soil profile, water, states of water and environment. That topic is not considered for examination. Then in second subunit, the plant communities, introduction, general characters, forms, structure, roundcase, life forms. This topic is not considered for examination for this year. Then in the second subunit of second unit, that is composition, abiotic and biotic components of the ecosystem, that is not considered for the examination point of view. The last part, which is not required, which is not considered for examination, is the autogeographical regions as chapters and money. All the remaining parts or all the remaining topics we have to study it, and these topics are considered for the examination point of view for this semester. Dear students, these topics we will discuss in the next few lectures under the paper, that is Botany Paper 3, Plant Ecology for semester 2. Dear students, thank you very much.